Hey everyone. When you are considering data analytics and identifying future trends, you have to take the past and the present into consideration. If we start to drill down into your manufacturing processes and we look at the shop floor, labour times is a great place to start. As part of this, analysing your labour bookings can help you identify variances and subsequent trends. Do I need to record labour times, you might be asking? Well, to be honest, the short answer is no. We can just use the standard times as per your structure, and honestly, if these times don't change much, that might make a lot of sense. But if there's any potential variances, recording your labour times could be really important and beneficial to your business. So looking at the different ways of recording, you can just use what we call manual timesheets. It's really simple, quick and dirty, write on a bit of paper and then input into the computer. However, it can be quite admin heavy, particularly for one person. Maybe they kind of mop that up at the end of a week or a month. You're also working on old data, and it's likely to be a bit of a guess as well. A bit of a finger in the air. I've worked an hour on this, roughly. So this method now tends to be a bit outdated. Even 10 years ago, tablets were not commonplace like they are today. Most shop floor users nowadays will have smartphones and tablets, and they'll be fairly au fait with using that technology. So hopefully we'll be fairly quick to pick up and start using a tablet to record their data live. And really this leads us into shop floor data collection. And this allows you to simply and quickly scan barcodes to book on and off jobs from either a terminal or a tablet. The great thing about this is it's accurate, it's happening real time, and that can give you an overview of who is doing exactly what and where and getting that information live. It also gives you the ability to change the working route on the fly if a particular job needs a different machine this time or any rework. It gives you that flexibility to play with. One other thing it can give you is the ability to apportion time across multiple jobs, especially if they're running concurrently. So the real benefits of recording your labour time live, it really gives you that accurate reporting, specifically for your costing of your works orders, rather than just using the standard time as we talked about before. It also gives you the opportunity to review and update your standard times, and it's particularly useful if a process has changed over time. Maybe previously we've been working to a standard time of 1 hour for a particular process, but using shop floor data collection, you've realised that actually the last 10 or so times that you've run this particular operation, it's taken more like 1 hour and 20 minutes. And as I say, that gives you the opportunity to go back, update the standard and make your standard time and costing more accurate. It also gives you the ability to track other efficiencies as well. So things like downtime between jobs and scrap reasons and scrap percentages and maybe any potential repeated rework on a particular job. Nice way of being able to get that information and do any analysis on it. So given those benefits, recording labour times can offer a really huge advantage for many businesses, giving stronger overall control of your manufacturing processes. Well, if you'd like to know more about what 123Insight and what a well-implemented ERP system can offer your business, why not attend one of our free online evaluation workshop sessions?